What's up guys, I'm glad to be back. In today's video we are going to generate our passive income using the Autobot trading signals. In today we are going to use MetaTrader 4 indicators to send out the signals to the Autobot, and then we going to trigger the trade on your favorite brokers. Right now we are currently working on a binary option brokers, and in the coming futures we are going to also automate with cryptos and Forex as well. Stay tuned guys. And what's special for this video only is that if you guys see these videos and you wanted to use to get access to the software, so I'm gonna give a pro version for you guys for free for 30 days. Okay, for 30 days for free to access pro version. And what you needed to do, you just needed to like these videos, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below about the feedback of the softwares. I will send this software for you for free to test it out for 30 days for free. Okay, so can't wait to see you guys on the other side. So if you guys are new to the platform, the first thing that you need to do is to have a broker account. And the broker account that I am going to use for today's video is going to be Quotac. The reason that I like to use Quotac because it is very responsive and very fast when it's come to withdraw. Okay, but anyway, the platform can be used with any binary option brokers on the market. Okay, so once you have the broker, let's go to download our Autobot. Let's go to the Autobot website, start to type with the Autobot signal.io, and then just enter to the website. And then you needed to log in if you're already a member of the Autobot signals. Also, if you are not, just click on the sign up button right there. Okay, so once you guys are logged in, you come to the feed community. So this is the community of the Autobot. A lot of users are using the Autobot to automate their trading process. Okay, so the reason that we are logging into is to download the software if you don't have the software. Okay, just click on the download right there. And the latest version available right now is the version 5.5.5. So this is the version available for Windows. Okay, click on the download button. So I already downloaded. Let me start the software. So I'm going to show you everything, from the setup of the Autobot until you get it up running with your MetaTrader 4. Okay, so now you launch the Autobot. So when it is launched, then you just click on connect with your brokers like I said. So we have a total of 5 binary option brokers available on the top, and we have 5 exchange crypto trading on the middle right here. It's the crypto exchange, and we have 5 available Forex brokers. Okay, but those are not available yet. It just the pictures are showing. If you click on connect, it will just say it's coming soon. It's not ready yet. Okay, so the broker that are available right now are the top above is the binary option brokers. So let's connect with my Quotac account. So you click on connect right there, then you go into connect with your account, with your Quotac account. So you just input email and password right there and click on login. That's it, pretty straightforward. So when it's come to this page, it's really important. You needed to input the signal keys. Okay, the signal key is the signal that sending from either TradingView here or MetaTrader. So without TradingView or MetaTrader, so the Autobot is not working. Okay, so you needed to send the signal from either TradingView or MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So without this, the bot is not working. Or otherwise, if you don't know how to set up, you needed to copy from someone else that they already set up their trading on the platform, on the TradingView platform or on the MetaTrader platform, and then you just requesting to copy the signal keys. So we have free signal key available on our website as well. You can just go into the signal and indicator right there. Just click on that. You can see free signal key right here. Just click on the free signal key. You can see that those people who already create their alert from TradingView, I think mostly are from TradingView here. You can just copy straight away signal keys and input it to your Autobot if you don't have your own. Okay, but today we are going to create our own. Okay, So the indicator that we are used today is going to be the MD4. So this is the MD4. So I created an MD4 with a Forex account. It's forex.com. So the reason I like to use a forex.com, because the server is very stable and it's working very smooth, with my indicator. And okay, so the first thing, before we are, starting to send out the alert, you needed to have a currency pairs. So here we have the euro, we have the US dollars Japan, and then a euro CAD is Canada. So let's have a look into our brokers right there, and what we are going to find out is the currency pair on the top right here, how many pair they have, and I will only select, I will start with that the one that have the best profit payout. So like the dollars here, the dollar JPY is pretty good. Dollar JPY, let's click on that one. It starts with a 92%. I think that's pretty good. That's our first pair. So right now we need another one. Based on my experience using these indicators, the best result I can get is using only 2 pairs. So the reason is that when using more pairs, when one pairs get 2 losses or 1 losses each, then the losses are piled up, and then you probably getting more losses in a row. So that's why, for me, based on my experience, so the best thing I can go, the most pairs I can go is only, so only 2, okay, 2 pairs. So that's the conclusion for you guys. So right now we have the US dollar JPY. This is the best we can get. It's 92%. And then let's find another one. Australia, but the yen, I don't like that one. But this one, probably the best one, is the Euro JPY, because both pair are completely on a different types of currencies. We have the Euro JPY, the Euro GBP, and then the US JPY. Both pair are totally different because there's no relation between the US dollars or the Japan. You can look into the chart right here. So I think this 2 pair probably going to complement well with my indicators. And we're gonna add the euro. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna get Euro GBP. This is the one that we added on our US, on our Cortex account. Change to candlestick, and then click on the candles to push the candle back forward. This is our alert. We're gonna keep that one. So and then we're gonna use our indicator. So this is the Signal Pro, the indicator that I built myself. Let's add it to the chart. Okay, let's click on OK. So once you add your indicators to the chart, right now it's time to send those alert indicators to our Autobot. Okay, so in order to send those alerts from your indicators, you needed to go to our website right here, click on our websites, go back to the features right here, go into MetaTrader Connect, click on that one. So in here it's going to tell you everything how you can connect your MetaTrader with the Autobot. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download your connector based on the version of your MetaTrader. So I'm using MD4. So the thing is I needed to download this MD4. Click on download it. So once you download, go back to the file, go to the open data folders right there, MQL4. And then you needed to place our connector in that script. Okay, here's the one that I already pasted in our script right here. When it is done, you just close it. Okay, so before you start to using it, make sure that in your tool on the top, click on the option and make sure that you allow the automated trading right there. Okay, just check on the allow automation and check this too. Then also check on the allow DLL import and also allow the web request for listing URL. So this is the URL that you needed to paste right there. Okay, you can find it on our website as well by going to the website right there. Just follow the step here. I already tell everything. You just drag here, just copy this URL link back here and then just paste it right there. When it's done, just click on OK to close. Okay. So before we set up our connector, make sure that you needed to take a look into your alert indicator right here. This is the alert indicators. This is your alert that show that this is the sell, this is the buy, this is the sell. Okay, this is going to tell you when it's alert, and we need to send this alert to the Autobot so that we can execute the trade with our brokers of choice. Okay, so let me right click right there, execute to the chart. So here is the important part. You needed to matching this info input right here. So what is say for the call? The connector was asking what is your indicator saying when it's come to a call signals, and then you look into your alert signal right here. It said down. Okay, that's where it is. So let me click on the load because I already saved it as a template. Click on the signal, Autobot signal. Click on the gel signal right here, preset. Click on open. So when it is open, it's already automatically adding all this information into the input slot. So what it is, we have the down for the put option. See, we see the down here for the sell option here. For the put option, we have the up. Okay, I think there's an up here for the buy option, or we can say a call option. So you just translate it. You know, the connector was asking what is your indicators are saying, and then you just inputted that in, and then it asking what is the name of your indicator, so that the connector is not confused with any other indicators. So the indicator is called the Signal Pro. You don't have to copy the whole sentence right there. You just need to copy is the first word, just the first word. Here, this is the name of that indicators. Just copy that and put it there, signal. Actually, it's the whole name going to be longer, but the only thing, but you can just pick it this short word, the first word right there. Okay, just place it in. So this thing we will leave it as it is by default. Okay. And now it's come to the signal key. This is very important. So this is where our Autobots are left open and wait. So we wait for the signal keys here. We wait that what is the signal key that you guys setting in your MetaTrader for. Okay, so it's waiting for this signal. So I'm going to custom this, so you can input anything you want. I like the word TTP, OTC, so I'm gonna use this word. I just copy it. And then back to our indicators. This one has to be matching. It has to be the same, so that this MT4 indicators can communicate with the Autobot. It's really important. So I gotta paste that signal right there. I'm gonna paste right there, TTP OTC. Okay, so when I got this signal, everything is gonna be done. This is the one that we are going to use when you guys are trading with OTC chart. But today we're not trading OTC chart, we're just trading on a Forex currency, no OTC, so we don't need to use this one. And then the add symbols, symbol name here, also relating to the OTC, and we're not gonna need to input anything here because we are trading the real Forex currency. Okay, so when it is done, you click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, you will see this two folder pop. We call it a log folder. This log folder going to read the log file, the log alert. Any message alert that's coming into this log is going to read that and then translate and send to the Autobot. That's really important. And you needed to click on the expert here. Okay, if you don't see this folder, you needed to click on the expert. So here we see this is all the log messages that show up in the expert. So this log folder is going to read the log messages and then send that to the Autobot. Let's go to the Autobot. We got the TTP OTC, then click on save. So what I do on my setting, so I'm gonna start with a fixed amount of $10, This is the entry trade. Okay, it's not the first step, it's not the second step, it's called entry. It's the entry trade. So my entry is gonna be $10, and then the duration of my trade is gonna be 60 seconds, which is mean 1 minute. So let's have a look into here. So all of this signal is going to trade on a 60-second or 1 minute candle. Okay, let's back to the dollars. I'm gonna push it up a little bit. Okay, then back to our setting here. After we lost the entry, and what I'm doing is that I'm using Martingale to recover the loss and make small profit. So let's go to the manual. So to do that, you needed to first select the Martingale management. I wanted to trade only based on the signal. So every time the signal is sending, it's going to send trade, and then it's going to Martingale the trade based on the signal that's sent in. Okay, if you guys are selecting the next expiry, it means that it's not going to wait for the signal. It's going to run all of this trade, more step coming as follow if it is losing. Okay, so I don't want that. It's kind of too risky here and very aggressive. So I'm gonna select the next signal right there. Then here I will select the manual. So here is my spreadsheet. I have my specific spreadsheet for that one. I'm going to select like that. So here is my plan. Here's my plan. So every time when I'm trading, I always planning. Okay, if the first step is losing, what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna select here. This is 72% probably. Yep, 72% or 74% to be exact. Yeah, 74%. So the reason I wanted to set this one here, because when I losing my first entry, I wanted to recover or make just small profit from the losing. In this case, I can go on for like one here and then another 6 trade here. The total is going to be 7 trade losing in a row. If that my indicators signal is working very poorly or very badly, I'm going to lose all of this, 7 trade. But if my indicators manage to win back any of the steps, so I'm going to make some profit, which is most of the time I always successfully manage to make my profit back as always. So you guys can have a look here. This is my management. So with all of these steps up into 700 and up to 971, the total capital that I need is only $1,690, which is less than $2,000 on my account. So you guys can have a look here. So we set it for 6 steps to Martingale to recover the trade when you lost the trade. So when it is done, I'm gonna set the filter right there, 74%, as my Martingale set right there. So I'm gonna set here 74% exactly as this. And for the news filter, it's going to pass the bot when there are news, impact, expected. So if it is high impact or is it low impact, you can also pause it for a couple of minutes based on your choice. But actually, I don't use it. I will just select this filter only 74%. It's meant if the brokers pay less than 74%, for example, like 70% here or less than that, I'm not going to trade. If the broker pay less than 74%, like this one here, 70%, so I'm not gonna trade on this one for sure, because I already setting my filter out right here. And if it is pay less than 74%, I'm going to I'm not able to recover my trade, if I losing one of the step right there. So my goal is to keep winning, and hopefully it's not losing like 6-7 trade in a row. Okay, so when everything is set, so click on save. So click on saving right there. Then you log into the dashboard of the Autobot. Right here you can change the setting, click on the wheel right here, and there you can see your license, you can see your profit right here, you can see your balance right there, and here is your signatures, and this is your types of account. So this is the demo account, the demo balance. So you can click on the switch here to change to live account, and then it reflects your real account right there. Okay, back to your live account. As you can see, as it is exactly as on your Autobot. So when everything is done, just click on play button right here. This is the start trading button. Click on start, and that's it. So right now we're just waiting for the signal for the indicators to send the alert like this. Then the Autobot will receive the alert and execute the trades for you. And we can just leave our software open on the side right here. So when the signal is triggered, then we will get the trade. Okay, right now we have a new trader, new signals coming in. Back to the Kotek. Here we go. So we got the signal right there. As you can see, this is the bullish signal from a Euro GBP. We can have a look. This is the Euro GBP sending the signal from our indicators right there, right here. So okay, I think that's pretty good. We're gonna leave it up for a couple of hours, and we will come back and check how much money we able to earn using the Autobot trading signal to automate your indicator from MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or TradingViews. Okay, so today I'm showing is the MetaTrader 4 indicators. These are the indicators that I build myself. So whenever it is sending the signals like this, and then it's going to execute the trade on my Kotek account. Okay, as you can see right now, the result of the trade will be showing right there, and at the same time on the Autobot. So we're gonna leave it like this, and maybe we're gonna leave it like this, and we will return back in a couple of hours, and then we'll update with you guys how much we are able to earn using my indicators from MT4. Okay, so my goal here is going to be about $100. This is going to be our daily goal. It's going to be $100 to $200 per day, and using my indicator trading with the broker's Kotek. So let's find out. Okay, I think we'll leave like this, guys, so that you can see the alert sending in on the top right here, and then the trade happening on the side right here. Gonna leave something onto the top. I don't know, maybe around here, there's and up there, so you guys can see like all the results on the left and right, and at the same time you can see this going on as well. Okay, I think that's pretty it. So we got winning as well. That's pretty good. Awesome. So that's it, guys, how you can automate your trade using the MetaTrader 4 alert indicators, and then using the Autobot to execute those alerts for you on any binary option brokers of your choice. If you have any question regarding the MetaTrader 4 today, so please leave the comment down below. I love to answer all those questions. And what's special for this video only is that if you guys see these videos and you wanted to use to get access to the software, so I'm gonna give a pro version for you guys for free for 30 days. Okay, for 30 days for free to access pro version. And what you needed to do, you just needed to like these videos, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below about the feedback of the softwares. I will send this software for you for free to test it out for 30 days. Get access to our pro package. Okay, get access to our pro. You got 1,000. I can think you got 1,000 of trades per day, which is equal to like I don't know, like 10,000 of trades per month. So for free. That's pretty exciting, you guys. So I hope to see all the feedback down below, and make sure that you subscribe to get access to this software for 30 days for free. Okay, and that's it. And before I end this video, I want to take you guys to have a look into how I recorded. Okay, I wanted to show this is the actual software running. There's no editing going on. So let me take you through the software. So this is my recording OBS. Okay, this is the OBS of the recording software, and this is how I run it. So this is how I run it, the software. Okay, so this is actually live recording, and now I'm gonna leave the software like this. You can see. Okay, and this is our live account right this. Ooh, that's pretty good, guys. We got 5 winning, and here's the profits we got right now. Okay, so that's it, guys. Bye bye.